Hello there! Today we have a look at these 3 cameras that came today by mail. I didn't get them in one package, I got them individually, but let's have a look what we can do with them. We will start with the Canonet QL17 GIII. Like this is, I think this is the lastest model and the best one. And let's have a look. So the top looks dirty, not so good, but I bet that's something you can just clean up. Like this camera band, it's for the trash really. You can't use that anymore. It looks like it's so ugly. But let's have a look if the camera works. Like the shutter, you can put it here on auto. Of course it probably won't work then. It works. Maybe there's still a battery inside them. We'll have a look at that in a second. Oh no, just look now. There is a battery and it looks like, yeah. The camera looks like an original Mercury one. Let's have a look at the voltage. Yeah, the battery is basically dead. Okay, but not a problem. Because I, of course, got a working one here. This is the Mercury battery. This battery is not allowed. It's banned. Let's put that in here and have a look through the viewfinder. Oh, I had it on bulk mode. Huh. Yeah. You see the needle moving? I will show it in another video. So yeah, that is good. And the next thing, I will remove the battery just that it doesn't empties. And is this thing really secure? Yes. Okay. And now let's have a look at the light seals. What is that? So I have the Canonet 28. I will have a look at that later. Yeah. Oh, this quick load thing here. Yeah, I hope, is it possible to just open that up, that you can renew the light seals here? We will find a solution. And yeah, the light seals not existent. We will do that. That's what is probably possible. This quick load thing, I've never used a camera like this. I hope you can open this up somehow and get to here to clean up the light seals there. So, okay. What a sound. Nice camera, because you can use it fully manually. Like this runs smooth too. So, nice project, probably my next project. Let's put it to all my other cameras. So the next one, you probably can recognize it by the leather case. It's a Revue camera, Revue 400L. I have here Revue 400 SE, Revue 400S. There's the L version, there's the EL version with the electronic flash, I think. And there's some other versions of it, and I will try to collect all of them. So this leather case goes right to the trash. It smells so bad. So this one just doesn't have manual focus. There are just these pictograms here. And you see, maybe the lens is not, you see, it's not, it's like 1 millimeter more up here than here. So maybe we have to open that up. Or maybe we don't, because it will be fine. There's a nice filter on here. That's good. And yeah, you see like the corrosion here. Not good. Shutter works. And even the light meter works. Nice. Let's have a look at the battery. Made in West Germany, so this is a Mercury battery, probably an old one. Look at the scent, how it's standing. 1.35 volts, perfect. This one I will keep in my repertoire. Battery maybe a bit dirty inside here, but not a problem. Yeah, just another nice camera. I mean, this is perfect for travel or something like that. You can take it anywhere. I have to get a lot more camera bands. We have to make this a bit more snappy again. Not a big deal. Look at light seals. I don't have to look at them because I know they're... Oh, somebody scraped them off here. But just here. Not a good work. Yeah. Nice camera. I will put it to the other ones. And now the Canon A1. I got this with the lens for 40 euros. So this camera was 20 euros. And this one was a bit more expensive. It was like 120 euros, but I would sell it for 400 euros, probably, maybe even more. So, good investment. So, this one with the lens for 40 euros is like, it's a good price. But let's remove the lens here because it's a bit too chunky. The lens is probably working, so I don't have to look at that. So here you see the mirror damper, there everything goes up there, off there, and yeah, the light seals are probably not existent too, yes, but it's not so hard to repair them. And now let's look if there's a battery inside there. Probably not. No, but of course I have one. And now have a look if there's anything working here.